All right, I am back. Sorry about that. Really weird issue. Let me hop in the Discord voice chat. All right, here I am. Sorry about that. Had some issue, technical wise. I'm back. Out the announcement for the stream.
You think I should wait to buy more LTD?
You don't have to wait, but what you should do, you should be using limit orders to catch on the dips, not buying the tops, in my opinion. Because if you catch on the dips, you're able to accumulate more, right?
Yeah, unless it just rips faces and goes without me.
Well, it's already cheaper on the other exchanges right now. If you're, people are gonna probably arbitrage it and push the price down on the short time. If they don't arbitrage, push the other ones up.
What's their price over there?
It still didn't do the pump on Gate.io, METC, or Uniswap. But Uniswap only has, it doesn't have as much liquidity as like Wheats and Gate.io and
What are
METC
they
probably.
at, like 12 or 13 or 12?
Not even 12 yet. Not even 12 yet. So what some people are doing, they're just taking profits on Wheats and then going to buy on the other side if you want to get more LTD. What's up, Thor? I mean, yeah, you can check all the other exchanges if you want to try to arbitrage as well. Do the arbitrage opportunity. What's up, my good people? I'm still my XRP long. If you're curious about my trade, for some reason the chart defaulted to open on the monthly for Ethereum up there. Yeah, so we had some green blocks earlier today, and we're kind of performing quite well from those green blocks. Doge is up over 4%. I had a screenshot earlier. Yeah, we've been doing really well from the green blocks. So if Doge does clear these liquidations up on top side, that's about 8%. A part of me is asking if I should take profits on XRP here if we go through these shorts at 245, have an order 245, and then try to transition back into Doge on that short time frame. That's up to you, Thor. I would go, if you're buying it, buy where it's the cheapest. If you're selling, sell where it's the most expensive. Hello, Lord Storm. How are you today?
I guess I'll buy some more at 12.
I mean, I was gonna buy more at 12 earlier, but I just wasn't done trading for the day. Generally, when I'm done trading, I'll put limit orders on stuff with profits.
Oh, I'd be so happy if I could buy 12 and it goes right back up.
Do limit orders.
Yeah, I got it in now.
You got it in your limit orders.
I could have sold some at 4, but I didn't sell any. Okay, let me go. I'm going to go do some promotion for it.
But these charts, like lots of cryptos went up drastically from those dips that we saw earlier today. At least 3% minimum across the board for the main tokens that we trade. This is another reason why I took profits earlier when I did on my shorts. I didn't want to keep holding the shorts. I knew we were going to have a nice reversal, and that would have erased a lot of profits. So my logic was get out of the shorts, get some longs on some stuff. I made some pretty good trades overall. If you are in a Discord, you're looking to show off your profits channel. I know my Discord messed up on the stream over here. I have to fix it. But if you look at the show off your profits, you can see some of these people trades. But this was my Dogecoin long that I took profits on before moving into the XRP long. And this was a Pepe short that I closed for 535%. All these entries were posted, by the way, and share your entries. I closed the Ethereum short for 510%. Closed the Dogecoin short for 1,565%. And I closed the Bitcoin short for 399%. So, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Check the announcements in Discord to see how you can win 500 USDT. We have that competition for the Discord members for that wheat futures percentage competition. Oh, XRP is getting closer to that $2.40 once we get up there. We're going to have those liquidations panicking at the $2.45 mark. But yeah, this long is up this long's up over 2,000%. So I'm very happy about it. Over 2,000% on the long. Man, a very good day. So basically the days that I've been waking up super early or staying up super late, a lot of the movement's happening in the pre-markets. And then this movement happened after market close. So I've been having a lot longer days. Been having a lot longer days. I will say that. Right now, I'm sending some people some free Tame token that did the reply on my Twitter earlier. Give them like 10,000 Tame token each, the verified users. Twitter getting that blue check mark was probably one of the smartest things they've done. Verified people are who they say they are, in a way, will help stop impersonations. Come on, XRP, go to that 240, and then after 240, go straight to $10. That would be epic.
I tagged you on Twitter.
All right, I'll check it out. The tag. I got a lot of tags today. I'm just sending out these tame tokens to some of these guys that replied to me on Twitter earlier today. We're at $2.38 for XRP. Parabolic movement, if it goes into the $20 range, I would probably not hesitate to take profit if it went to $20. That would be insane price movements. You would get massive volatility up there. What's up, Akira Nova? Yeah, LTD went up a lot today, Akira Nova. It probably came back down already, but I snapped some charts in the Discord. LTD went up to the 4 zeros. LTD went up to the 404, like 187% today. It is a very massive move. I don't have it on the charts over here. I'm in a XRP long. It finally made it to 291. Overall, had some very good trades overall today. How are you doing tonight, Akira? I'm trying to send out lots of these few tame tokens to these people that wanted it for this stuff on Twitter. I made a typo. I sent someone over 5 million pulse chains one day instead of 5 million tame token in the early days. The epic. All right, so I gave, I think one person left on here to give them the tame token for free. Nope. Tito found it. Tito found it. So 2 people. I was trying to close it after that last one, and then I see Tito found it. I see people trading tame token. The volume has been going up today. Liquidities of still 1,600. We do have a lot of liquidations on this top side. You look right here for Doge on the 5 minutes, liquidation is close to 43 cents. Liquidations over here on Bitcoin with the double bottom target at $102,705. Falling wedge and double bottom target back above 3,900 for Ethereum. And then we're very close to these top of shorts on XRP, $2.50 for some of those shorts. Looking pretty good. Let me check out the YouTube chat. What up, YouTube? Brick Unit says XRP will reach $500 when he grows an arm out of his ass. I don't know. I would be afraid of an arm growing out of my ass. That's very scary. So, what is this? A bullish pennant forming on XRP over here? A bullish pennant with the target at $3? My God. I guess that's worth taking a screenshot. Let's zoom in here on XRP. I closed my short. I'm at my long. I had a short at 265. And let me take a screenshot of this. All right, so falling wedge target at 292. Let me add that in there. 2.92 falling bullish pennant target. And this is at XRP. Who thinks XRP? Let's do a poll. I want to see your sentiment. Will XRP make a new all-time high this year? Yes, no. Will its all-time high be at this year, or do we have to wait until next year? But yeah, look at that bullish pin at target to 292.
Is it too late for me to enter?
Oh, you're late. We're getting some overbought RSI. RSI is curving down. On the short time frame, picking up a little bit of bearish momentum. You're late. You're definitely late. You're 15% late. Oh no, you're 18.9% late. You're almost 19% late.
I never mess with XRP. But if I can make a quick trade.
Maybe set a buy limit at $2 in case it bleeds down on low liquidation or these liquidations.
I bought some LTD again. It's back up. Just a little bit.
What did you buy it at?
Weeks.
No. What price did you buy it at?
3,995.
You bought it at 3,995. What is the price at now? Why are you buying the absolute top?
I only bought a little bit. I'm just trying to get it going.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Listen, they see that all them Chinese on Weeks and wherever. They see what coin's pumping. I also have a big buy order at 12 and 13.
Okay. Thank you for that clarification. Yeah, I was wondering if you cancel your buy limits, just bought the top, but yeah, you still got your buy limits.
No, I only bought a tiny amount just to keep the fire going. I want to see maybe what countries at Singapore, maybe they hop on the train.
By the way, YouTube guys, if you guys want to help support the Tame token without even buying Tame token, follow the Tame token Twitter account. Try to help us get to 1,000 followers. I think that's the beginning stage. We're at 400 followers right now. 400 followers right now. We are getting some sell pressure. It's only about 13 minutes before some of these funding fees on some of these platforms.
You haven't heard about the disease X outbreak?
No. What's it involve? What's the bad things about this disease?
I'm watching about it right now. I'm learning right now. It's something to do with Trump, in the United States to get us to do what they want.
No, what's the token? I'm sorry, what's the disease do? I said token because I'm so busy trading.
I gotta.
Because I see people walking around the grocery store, I can see their herpes like a mile away. They're not buying their creams and stuff this winter. Seeing a lot of outbreaks. Wouldn't be surprised if I start seeing people with monkeypox walking around anytime soon. Let me tell you. You ever have monkeypox, Ahmad?
Nope.
Good stuff. Keep it that way.
I've had zero vaccines, COVID several times, and beat it with natural remedies.
Just beat it. Nice. You ever beat HIV?
And I don't even have a spleen.
What's a spleen do?
Oh, just prevent you from infections and diseases.
Really? Do you take a lot of vitamin C and zinc inside your daily diet?
Yeah, that's the only thing keeping me around from getting sick.
I'm a gamer, so in my mind, I imagine like as you're taking zinc, those little cells in your bodies are building tiny metal swords and using it to stab the bacteria and viruses. That's what I like to think about. I think that'd be pretty cool if that's how it works. Like there's things happening in your body that you cannot even see on a microscope. It's so small. These new quantum computers are going to help us be able to understand our bodies even more and get more stuff done.
I saw something hilarious. Did you see that Michael Saylor was on Crypto Banner Show?
I saw him talking about gold the other day. That was hilarious.
Bro, he was on their show. It was so fun.
The funniest thing was when I saw him on Barstools with Dave Portnoy explaining Bitcoin and using basketball as a reference, and it was terrible. It was terrible.
Listen, he was on their show literally telling them to shut up.
I don't want to have him on my show talking like that.
He's super arrogant. Like when he starts talking, you cut him off. He ain't with it.
He talks the talk, but man,
he told old dude to shut up and stop cutting me off.
you know why? Because when people ask you a question and you interrupt them, it is quite annoying. I do the same thing. People ask me questions before, and then they would interrupt me like a second after they asked the question, right when I'm about to deliver the answer to them. It's very annoying. And for those types of people, you can't really be polite. You have to tell them to shut up, or they will keep doing it. You cannot reward the bad behavior. Ahmad, can you tell me more about your music?
Sure, it's on all
Michael
digital
Jackson was playing a
platforms.
song this week. Did you see that? See, that's annoying, right? Dude, I used to have people do that all the time, ask me a question and then interrupt. But yeah, honestly, tell me about your music. I'm not going to interrupt you.
Okay, I go by Imad Saad, EMAD, last name SAAD. That's the artist name. All digital platforms. It's I'm a Wu-Tang affiliate. When you hear the music, that's the style you're going to hear. So if you like that, you're going to love it. I've been rapping since the 90s. I never really made it big. I had a lot of things going on in my life. I wasn't really able to concentrate on it. But I'm in the circle, and all them guys know who I am.
Are you able to freestyle rap?
Yeah, I do. I can do it all, but now ain't the time.
When do you find yourself like just freestyling out of just randomly?
Oh, a little bit of weed, a little bit of beer, you know, a good time. It'll bring it about. A nice beat, good DJ. I got CDs, I got T-shirts. They're ready to go out. Very frustrated with the digital platform. So that thing that you showed is really interesting because they're seriously, the pay that I make on digital streaming is pitiful.
A lot of artists don't get paid on digital.
Dude, I have songs with Redman on them, and they don't even play them. It's so stupid. Like the whole algorithm is just totally trash on Spotify.
So tomorrow, those guys, I'm trying to get them on a Discord tomorrow, maybe about I don't know, anytime after 10 o'clock in the morning, maybe close to lunchtime or 1 o'clock. I'll try to get them on, and you can talk to them a little bit too about their platform. But basically, if people are paying the subscription and listening to your music, you get a portion of that. And if they only listen to you and no other artists, you get 100% of that. But if they listen to like 10 artists, you only get 10% of their subscription that month. Like if they're listening to you like 10% of the time.
Yeah, it's better than my current deal, which is 0.00000000001 per play.
Well, you'll still get a very small percentage per play if your people are listening to like 1,000 artists.
It's hilarious. I did 1 million streams on Facebook from people playing my music on there, and they paid me like $60.
Wow. Yeah, it's not pay per view. It's just pay for like portion of the total revenue. I do have that music production channel. I thought like some of you artists could like collaborate and make a song or something together, just vibe. It seems a little bit hard for random musicians to do that though, because people worry about like copyright or trademark, or what if someone wants to make money from the song? How are they going to do it? Overall, December has been a very good month, I think, for this trading, surprisingly. Surprisingly, it even surprised me, like the profits I earned this month. Generally, I don't make a lot of money in December. Generally, December, like I'm trying to catch bottom of the dips, but this December I was able to take huge profits on a lot of plays in a very short period of time. And then Tame Token out of nowhere hit all-time high 2 days ago, and then yesterday hit the highest before really people started taking profits. I want to get some of those people that took profits on Tame to explain their trading strategy.
Bro, LTD is ready to rip.
Once the company Living the Dream does their next big buyback and burn, that's when it really starts ripping on the debt side.
What's that? 18? We're at 4. Dude, we could do over a 4x if someone comes in and buys 900 million, about, yeah, a little over 900 million coins.
Well, their staking protocol, like I need to calculate how much money I've already earned so far from these airdrops. I already did one claim airdrop. I didn't have $1 billion when I staked the first time. I had a lot less. But this time I was like, I'm going to stake $1 billion and hold it for 30 days and see what I did.
I don't know. From what I see, we're one whale away from taking this shit to the moon. And I know a couple guys that'll be perfect. I already hit them up on Twitter. I tagged them on Twitter. Tag you too. I tagged Murad. I tagged Becker too.
I think the dip convinced me, and then like there's nice recovery after the dip where I went long. I went long right here after the recovery of the dip. I saw it had a nice wick bounce at $1.90, so it was enough for me to take profits on the shorts today and then go long on XRP.
What do you think about where the Bitcoin dominance is at?
Over time, that dominance will drop.
Could it possibly have topped out at 60?
I would like to see Bitcoin dominance go closer and closer to 1% as crypto grows. And you're gonna see dominance drop as we get more money into USDC, USDT, and then more stablecoins.
I don't know. I think whenever the money funnels down to the small caps, LTD is going to just rip faces.
My money is on XRP.
LTD.
On the 12-hour, it takes, there's a, what is it called, a bull flag and it takes you to $5.
Well, if we zoom out, XRP, for example, let's zoom into XRP real quick. If we go to the weekly chart, and from that weekly green block at about 38 cents for XRP till now, we're up over 500%. But when you look back over here, on this data, we're at all-time high on this chart, but on CoinMarketCap, we're not at the all-time high. If you go over here, CoinMarketCap, and you go to XRP, and you look at this all-time chart, the all-time high is closer to about 250. No, $3.36. $3.36. So that's the top I'm referring to. If we can break it, why did they put the price right there? There it goes. So this is the top I'm hoping that we can double top to and break, especially while I'm in the long. But notice we did have room for the big dip that happened yesterday and today on XRP that I was still able to make a profit on a short before this big pump. But we'll go into price discovery. If we break this all-time high at 336, we can go into price discovery.
Swig, you've got open mic.
Open mic. I'm gonna move you to the mic check if you. Oh, he got it. He got it. What's up, Swig?
Yo, what's up? My bad.
I'm in a XRP long. Are you in a trade right now?
No, nothing. I was just reading something else on my phone.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you have any LTD or Tame token, Swig?
No, I don't right now.
Do you use MetaMask or do any like swaps or DeFi trading?
Not really. No, I use MetaMask for like random things, but just have some ETH in there. But other than that, just like really long term stuff.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, I like hearing about it and learning more.
What's your favorite crypto right now?
I don't know. I just probably ETH. It's just the easiest for me to like move. It moves around the fastest because like I don't know. I do a lot of gambling. Probably not the best, but so I don't know. That's probably my favorite right now. But I mean, as like here for what's here forever, I have no idea.
What do you gamble on? I don't gamble, so I can't relate to that, but I'm curious.
It depends. Depends where I'm at. Steak is cool, but it really depends on what it's for. Like sports, or if you're trying to do like online casinos, and it depends on what part of the world you're in.
Do you trade on wheats?
I just made the account, literally just now, but I haven't made. It hasn't sent me the email yet with the verification code.
Check your
I don't
spam
know why
folder.
it's not working.
Check your spam
Mhm.
folder. If that's your first interaction, probably go to spam. But I ask you if you use wheats because you said you gamble. I think the token mother is one that they have like a casino and they have girls and like sexy outfits or something.
What?
It's by Iggy Azalea.
Yeah, I've heard of it. Actually, I have some daddy coin,
Uh,
but not mother.
research it a little bit. I had the buy signal accumulation the other day and then the price went crazy within like 3 hours. Full disclosure, she was at the New York when I went to New York and New York City at the stock exchange, and then she was there in Singapore when I went to Singapore. But she never told me to tell people to buy the token. I did my own research and looked at the chart as a retail trader. And that's why I waited a very long time to give that buy signal for a mother. Man, you guys are trading Tame token a lot today. You got that volume up. Almost $10,000 worth of trading volume on Tame token today. Pretty big. Well, I think XRP, if it breaks that double top at 336, it goes parabolic for a short period of time. What I'm really concerned about is if smart money comes in and starts trying to buy big bags of XRP. That's when the price really goes and does really weird things. That's crazy. Crazy stuff. Okay. I gotta take a call. I'll keep the camera on, but I gotta take a call. I'll come back in Discord voice in a second. I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, I'm back. I was looking at Tame Token earlier too. You guys just crossed that $10,000 volume. Well. All right. Anybody have any questions or any comments before I hop off here for the next hour or so? My friends called me and invited me to play a video game with them. So I might go do that while I'm watching the charts. Happy to answer any questions or comments before I hop off here, though. Mark says, where do you see Bitcoin for the week? Ultimately, as we get closer to Christmas, should start seeing more sell pressure for Bitcoin. Like we have these liquidations down 91K. I think we are going to eventually hit. Which is also a little bit fearful for my XRP position. But XRP, they just had that news. Now the next thing that should be coming is they're trying to get their stablecoin listed on as many exchanges. So, yep. I'm going to be playing a video game. I could probably get my friends to join this Discord. We could talk on the game and then look at charts and stuff, but it would be very chaotic. We're going to be playing Supervive. ZZ, you want to hop on Supervive with us? We can do 4-mans. If so, shoot me a DM Supervive. All right, let me go grab some food, and then I'm going to jump on the video games with my friends.
I was going to ask you, so what was that one day you were talking about that coin, LOD3? What is that?
That's the token that's related to gold and silver. Load protocol. I think that's their reward token, the yield token. They have 2 other tokens related to it, AGX and AUX. Basically, the other tokens are 1 gram of silver and 1 milligram of gold are the other 2 tokens.
Wow, LOD3 is gold or silver?
No. It's a token related to gold and silver because they have 2 tokens, AGX and AUX. AUX is their gold token. AGX is their silver token. Load is the governance token. And one of the tokens that you use for like doing your stakes in the RGEM.
Oh, okay. I bought a little bit.
And currently it's lower trading volume. I've been helping those guys out a little bit, looking at the charts and teaching them some of the stuff I know about crypto. But at the end of the day, we end up looking at gold charts and silver charts, and they're thinking about new ways to bring gold and silver trading into the crypto atmosphere, just in case gold does go parabolic. And gold and silver doesn't move volume wise a lot. So that is something I'm looking into.
I also said you said you were going to accumulate Mother?
Yeah. Did you see the price after that?
Yeah, it went up a little bit, but it's still got quite a bit. It looks like Tate's a better deal. Oh, not Tate, Daddy.
Well, Mother has a lot more utility. That's the whole reason. And she's pretty active on Twitter and has a good following. But Mother, that signal, I think it was about 4.8 cents. and then it shot up to about 7.8, almost 7.8 cents after that call. Now it's back down to 5.6. But Mother has the utility, and the trading volume on Mother is big, and it's on a lot of exchanges.
Yeah, it's here on weeks. I'm looking at it and thinking
And they're pretty
about
active on her Telegram. Her Telegram is very active. She does a lot of voice messages, people talking in there, and then Twitter, a lot of replies and stuff too. She even replied to me on Twitter a few times.
Oh man, you got to get her on here.
She had a big party over in Singapore as well. It's pretty cool. A lot of people enjoyed that party. Yeah, if I can get her on Discord to talk with you guys, that'd be pretty cool as well. But we do have like those musicians and stuff coming on tomorrow. I'm scheduled other crypto people to come in. Pretty cool. We had the if you go to Meetup channel, you can see some of the people that met up at some of the events, and then some of them have been coming on voice and stuff, talking with us, different projects and stuff. This guy, this is Ian. He's from Load. This is Bobby, does marketing and stuff. These are from different platforms. This is Andy from Wheats, Vice President Wheats. Cointelegraph. So the Meetup channel, lots of people meet up. A lot of people met a lot of these SHIB people. This is Calvin J. He's a musician as well. Treasure, Andrew, Queen. Oh, my team at Wheats. He joined the Discord as well. He's from RNS ID. That's the Palau ID. So if you have any questions about Palau ID, put that in the Discord. I still have like a lot of media on the phone, everything. But the meetups are pretty cool. They're pretty fun. We do a lot of stuff. Sometimes end up in like the clubs and stuff, but most of the time networking, working, talking out, helping out people in the community, doing more of the crypto stuff. Man, a lot of the shit people. It's a very diverse world in crypto. This a Discord member I actually met in New York City. She told me she works for the news. Look at Joe. Look at Joe Aspen. Joe Aspen with the Miami Bull. Look at that. Joe was on crutches, so we were limited on places we went, but we had like a little boat ride and stuff. Went to restaurants. I had a lot more pictures. Oh, this is Arias. Had a lot more pictures, but lost them, so I had to get more of the pictures. This was from the Bitcoin conference before. These guys are super cool. These are like long-term. Susan Lee from Fox News. Oh man, we lost all the other pictures. But yeah, Discord is pretty lit. Meetups are pretty cool. All right. No, I don't. I use Wheats right now, Zircod. Kind of got kicked off Metz. Actually, a lot of us, they stopped serving us because we were American passport holders over there. So a lot of us using non-KYC Wheats right now. That's where I'm doing a lot of my futures trading and spot trading. I'm trying to get T-Pain to come on the Discord. He's been playing some of the games I've been playing lately as well. I'm trying to get him more into crypto stuff, but
or the accuser, whomever. Tell him about
tell him about what?
Stephen A. Smith. There is no way in hell I believe. Tell T-Pain about LTD.
Oh, I mean, I don't think that should be the first crypto he learns about. I think the chart patterns and stuff like we're near the top should be the first thing, so you can look at about buying stuff when we hit the bottom. All right, guys, I'm gonna go eat and then go play the game with my friends. I'll leave the Discord voice open. You guys can talk with each other. Definitely gonna have a big day on Discord tomorrow as well. Lots of conversations. So I might be up early tomorrow. I do have some stuff to do around 9:30 a.m. Eastern, but about 11 or 12 probably be over here with you guys in voice chat. Have a good night, and I'll jump in later tonight. Obviously, I'll let you jump in a little bit late in the night, watching the charts at nighttime. But I will tag the Discord if I see anything. Maybe Matt Donald. I mean Cardano. Pretty good crypto. So bottom dips pretty good. I don't think XRP is dipping as hard as Bitcoin, Doge, and ETH as well. So I'm probably validated to hold my long a little bit longer. See you guys a little bit later. Kapow. Tametoken.com. Tametoken.com. Let me add that in there too. So some of you guys can visit that tametoken.com as well if you want to support the Tame the Art channel, the Discord, and the Tame token price. It's on Pulse Chain. DeFi, truly DeFi exchange, pulsets.com.